Hi everyone and welcome to W Signature. In this video we'll be learning how to make this tasty looking grilled fish. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this I'll be using mackerel fish, but you can use any fish you have available. I love the taste of mackerel, so I'll be using mackerel fish for this. So you score the mackerel fish. Now we're scoring this to ensure that the seasonings we're going to rub on this enters completely. So the seasonings gets into the fish. And place the scored mackerel fish in a bowl. Now the first seasoning to go in is the pepper. This is chili pepper, powdered chili pepper. Next is salt. And finally oil. You rub that all over the fish completely. Then you leave the fish to marinate for about 20 minutes before placing on the grill. Now the reason we're using palm oil for this is because palm oil tends to prevent it from burning. Okay, the palm oil prevents it from burning and also gives it a very nice flavor. So you place that on the grill and ensure you watch it so it doesn't burn, because it tends to burn quickly if you do not regulate the heat. So just watch that fish and grill it on both sides. Just watch it, just give it like maybe 5 minutes on each side and grill. Ensure you have your pepper sauce ready. To learn how to make this pepper sauce, check the description below. Ensure you have that ready to glaze your fish. It's going to serve as a dip and the glaze for the fish. Okay, so check how to make that in the description box below. So you use that to glaze the fish and your bouillon fish is ready. Enjoy! Now if you enjoyed watching this video, do give me a thumb up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Till next time, bye bye.